Well, if you keep doing that, we'll watch it.
To watching Daddy clothes. Daddy green shirt?
Yeah, it's Daddy's green shirt.
Yeah. Daddy wearing that. Kid wearing that. Kid. Tom is dirty.
What's dirty?
Tom is dirty.
Oh, yeah, well, we'll wash all your stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That killer jeans.
Well, I think it's Mama's jeans.
Yeah. That's heavy.
Is it heavy?
Yes.
Oh, we'll help you if it gets too heavy.
Daddy duck.
It is my sock.
Yeah. Daddy wearing that too.
Yeah.
That silly. That silly daddy.
What's silly?
That silly daddy.
I don't know what's silly.
Daddy silly.
I'm silly?
Yes. Silly. Kill watching. Kill on TV. Kill watching Daddy's clothes in there.
Well, thank you for helping me.
Yeah,
you're a good helper.
Me wash.
I can't wait till you can help in the kitchen. That'll be fun, huh? We can cook together.
Daddy help you?
Can you help?
Yes.
Alright, well.